kitty. Meow. Come here. Oh, I just want to pet you. I love you that you're painting black. Come here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here. Come on. Come on, kitty. It feels amazing out here. But what is up, Shane Squad? How are you guys today? Hope you guys are having an awesome day. It feels so good out here. I don't even have to have a jacket on. It's actually pretty warm. I honestly don't know what we're getting ready to go do. I know Jen's mom's coming along with us. I actually think we're going to be going to the library, but I'm not for sure. I don't know if I like the hat backwards like this or frontwards. Tell me down below. Does it look better backwards or does it look better frontwards? I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I really want this black kitty. It's all black and it's so pretty. Come here. Come here, kitty. Meow. Come here. I'm not gonna hurt you. No, I'm not gonna hurt you. I just want to pet you. You just need some Shay Shay love. Yeah, kitty. Come here. Come here, kitty. Come on. Come on. Meow. Come here. Come on. Come on, kitty. Come on. Meow. So close. Just let me pet you, and you will be loved. And you don't want to go away ever. You just need some Shay Shay love. The snow is melting. Now it's just turning into a bunch of mud. Doesn't it feel amazing out here?
Yeah. And Martha being forbidden.
Today would probably be a good day to go for a bike ride.
What are we doing? We're going to the library.
I showed you guys yesterday our sled. It looks like our sled. Because I don't think our sled's at the house. Oh, it's all broke to pieces. Jen ended up stopping on the side of the road. Apparently someone dropped a little toy. We picked it up. She's going to post it on Facebook to see if it belongs to anyone. It's literally a little beanie puppy. So if you watch the vlogs and you know if you lost it, let us know.
I don't like miss your best friend.
We are here at the library. I want to go to the very top of that building just to see the view. What are you doing? I guess we're just coming here to the library to look for some movies. Even have games that you can like borrow inside or Xbox 360 or PS2, PS3. In the kids section, we have a bunch of movies back here as well. Just one movie that I really want to find. I've been looking for the movie. It's called Party Monster. It's definitely not for kids, but I think they took it off the air because where it has like tons of drugs and stuff in it. Pokemon.
Fire, but it's your flower. Never was into anything like this.
Oh, like kind of like anime type stuff.
I'm so strong. You get yours home.
I'll take it. I thought it was gonna come back and like slap you in the butt. Wait, how many movies we got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Got 9 movies, and we're gonna have a movie night tonight. Excited.
Yes. Especially for the Disney movies.
Some lady just stopped Jen's mom, and apparently she's signing some kind of paper. I don't know exactly what she's signing, but she's signing it. What was that all about?
She's trying to get funding for the people that are on drugs, but they're not the bad ones. You know,
Yeah.
that have lost their homes, lost their jobs, they're nowhere else to turn. She's trying to give them like a hand up, kind of start a self-issue, because unless you are OD and everything, you're not going to get no help.
What you doing, Mr. Whiskers?
404. I'm going.
Yeah. Mr. Whiskers. Aww. He's a pretty. He's a pretty kitty. He's a pretty kitty. I'll be back. Yeah. I'll be back.
No, she won't. She won't be back because she don't love you anymore. She don't want nothing to do with you.
Sure. I don't think it's gonna fit. Alright, so my grandma randomly messaged us as soon as we got home, and she says, do you want to go get a pizza? And we're like, yeah. We are going to meet my grandma at Pizza Hut 5, because she gets off at work at 5 today. And then she asked if we wanted to stay the night with her, and we said yes. So we are going to be spending the night with grandma. But you guys are excited because we haven't had a really good vlog for a good while. Grandma will make the vlogs pretty interesting, and I get to see Petey, Prissy, and Teddy and the mice. But I have some bad news as well. As you guys know, May, my sister's rat, the one that started getting the bump around his ear and we thought it was an ear infection. Well, it turned out it busted and he ended up passing away yesterday. Today my mom told me that Sassy, the girl mouse, the big fat mouse that we have, is starting to get a knot on her. So I will get to see her once we get to my grandma's. Looks like there was a wreck up here.
Yep, look. Oh, maybe. See?
I try to take that stupid passcode off my phone. It's annoying.
What is?
The passcode on my phone. It's annoying. Because when I go and want to record something, I have to go and then by the time what I wanted to record is already done and over with.
You want me to show you a quicker way?
What?
Because I didn't have to enter a passcode.
What'd you do?
Swipe.
Where are you, Grandma? I need food!
You want candy?
No!
Do you want chocolate?
No.
Do you want snow?
No!
Do you want pizza?
Yes! Pizza! I need pizza.
Do you want a turtle?
Oh, yes, they're cute.
Do you want a turkey?
Yeah, go give it as a pet.
Do you want a pig?
Oh, yes! I want a farm. I would have a mini cow. I would have a pony. I would have some chickens, some roosters, some guineas, a pig, a potbelly pig,
Do
turkeys.
you still want pizza?
Yes! I would give pizza to all my animals. as long as I get a piece. It's 5 o'clock. Driving like a grandma. Push the pedal to the metal. Grandma, where are you? We are birdies in the sky. We poop all over people's eyes. If you don't believe it's true, we'll poop all over you. Are you gonna poop on me? Don't flap your wings at me. Ah! He's flying! I was talking crap to that bird and he started flying at me. It's here, finally. Hello.
Hi. Aren't you cold?
It was warm where we was.
Garlic knots and some boneless chicken.
Teddy. Prissy. Come on, Teddy. What are you doing? What? Teddy, come on. Come on. Come on, Teddy. Hi, Teddy. I missed you.
I said, where's my pizza?
What? Why is he hissing at you?
'Cause I haven't got his supper. How's he doing, baby? Huh? What's he doing, little girls? How's my babies?
Hi, Teddy.
Ah,
No. Yeah, Teddy.
I'll go get you a piece of pizza.
You want some pizza? You want
What
some
you want,
pizza?
Prissy? Are you mad because Mommy didn't say nothing to that boy? Hmm?
Say hi, Teddy. The vlog hasn't seen you for a while. Yeah.
Here.
Come on, Prissy. Come
I'll
on,
go get
Prissy.
you food.
I see you're getting your fleas back again on your back.
Yeah.
Prissy. Yeah, you're starting to look nasty again. Yeah, you're starting to look nasty. Yeah, look at you need to clean your eyes. Look at nasty. Come on, Prissy. Wow.
Hi, Prissy.
He walks away.
He hissed at me.
Try to pet him. Prissy. Teddy's in our box eating pizza.
Thanks for the warm welcoming, Prissy.
This. Look how big.
Waffles.
Waffles. Come on. You got sassy.
She says she's got a big knot or something underneath her belly. Sterlina said.
All I see is fat. Oh my gosh, she's gotten so fat.
Yeah, look at this. She's like a butterball.
Mm-hmm.
Sassy.
Oh, you're such a little butterball.
Big you are. You're so big. Yeah. Sassy.
Let's see.
Yeah, we gotta try to put the collar on Prissy. He's gonna hate us. What's sassy? How big Waffles has got.
Not attack
Like,
the cat.
look how
Yeah, I tried
huge.
to.
You can't attack the cat.
She's so huge.
You can't.
I don't know if it's a type of mice they are, but she's got huge. You're so fat. Oh, you still squeak. Not even touching you. He's looking at the camera like, get that thing off of me. Prissy. Meow. Yeah, come here. Hi, Prissy.
You've got to hold him.
I know, but his nails got me. Prissy. Stop.
He's going to hiss. You got to hold him. Stop. Okay.
You're okay. Prissy. You're okay.
You afraid if I let go?
Prissy. No.
Okay,
stop.
look. Look, do what I'm doing. See how you pinch him right here?
Like,
There you go. Grab a hold of them. It doesn't hurt them. It just paralyzes them. Just keep your hand right there. Stop. Oh, hiss. Mr. Hissy.
Stop.
Mr. Hissy, I'm almost done. There. Was that so bad?
Now see, we didn't hurt you. You have to get rid of those fleas. What are you doing? Here, you can finish eating. Here. Hi, pretty bird. What are you doing? You're pretty. Yeah, you're pretty. Pretty bird. I'm happy I got food.
Feeding time. Mommy comes in, that's the first thing she does is feed everybody.
Good night, Teddy. Teddy's trying to get to Prissy. Look at that. What are you doing, Sassy? You're gonna go sleep. Hmm? Sassy.
What are you
Waffles.
doing, Teddy?
What are you doing, Waffles?
What are you doing?
Waffles.
What's wrong? Jay, what's wrong?
I guess he's not mad no more.
No. He just wants me to patty. Tomorrow I'm going to get all of that off of you tomorrow with the sweeper. What do you want? What's he doing? You do it, Tinker. You trying to get me too? Yeah.
Teddy.
No, he drinks a bowl of water a day.
Who, Teddy? Or Prissy?
Prissy.
No. What? He's mad. He's like, don't talk about me. What, Prissy? Are you mad because she's talking about you?
I don't think he's mad. I think what he does it for attention. Yeah.
Prissy, you need to clean your butt.
Yep, I think so.
You poopy butt. Oh, what? What's he doing? Hmm?
You want it? You're welcome.
Here. Here.
She's coming.
Here. There you go. What are you doing? Huh? Waffles. Waffles.
See, I know my name. Look how pretty.
You're so cute. Yeah, you're cute, Waffles. Look at that tail. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the vlog. I'm going to edit today's vlog, get it up for you guys so it gets us up on time. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Make sure to turn my post notifications on so you never miss a new video. And make sure to stay positive and never give up. I will see you guys tomorrow.